Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can easily open the quick menu. So at the first we have to raise the screen, so click on this button one time. Right now we have to swipe from the upper section of the screen, and here we are in this quick menu. And for example, we can here just change the rotate screen and set it automatically, and also we can turn off for example the voice control. We can also enter from here on our settings. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.